Hello and hi everyone. Today I want to talk about our assignment, which is a static subject. We choose trolley as our research. Okay. I will start with introduction. A trolley is a small transport device used to move a significant load from one place to another. In most of industries, hand trolleys normally used to transport finished product or raw materials. It consists of two simple machines, which is the wheel and axle. A wheel and axle are the simple machine that is made up of smaller cylinder, which is axle, joined to a larger cylinder, which is wheel. Often a wheel and axle are used to make it much easier to move a load. Trolley use more than one simple machine to reduce the effort needed to do a job, making them compound machines. Adding extra simple machine spreads the effort and force required to do job and allow the two to do more than one job. Okay, this is the example of the image of the trolley. Then I will share the criteria of the analysis structure for this assignment. Okay, the first one is for free body diagram, and the second one is a rigid body equilibrium, and the last one is central. Okay, and then I will show you the image of the front side and perspective view of the trolley. Okay, the first one is front view of the trolley. Okay. The second one is the side view of the trolley, and the last one is the perspective view of the trolley. Okay, that's all for me, and I will pass to another member to share their presentation. Okay, that's all for me.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Faiz Mizuna Kamil. My matter ID is MA21084. Okay, now I want to talk about this trolley. Okay, so the function of the trolley is the trolley generally used in malls and supermarket for the sole purpose of keeping all the things a customer wants to buy. Rollers and wheels are preferred for this trolley since it becomes easy to push them from a customer point of view. Okay, these trolleys are only preferred when customer wants to buy a lot of things, which may also be bulky, or it is not possible to keep the item in small bag or basket. Okay, now I want to talk about problem statement. So the problem in this trolley is friction at rollers or wheels. Generally, the friction acting is kinetic in nature since we are dealing with a dynamic problem, but we have been asked to mention the static problem. We will assume the trolley to be at rest. Then it becomes a truss or frame-like problem. The two wheels will be acting like two rollers providing support traction. Apart from that, there are two steel rods slightly inclined just below the portion where all the objects will be kept. The rods actually acts as supports to the lower portion of the base where all the items will be kept. Okay, now we will talk about the external load. One will obviously be the load all of the items the customer want to buy. The second will be the load applied by the customer on the handle to push the trolley in the direction what she or he wants. Okay, that's all.
Hi, I want to talk about free body diagram. Let's go to see my free body diagram for the trolley.
Jangan terlalu laju pacuwe, tahan tenaga kita goyang santai.
For the free body diagram for the trolley, we have three main force. First, weight, 40 kilogram. We must multiply with gravity, 9.81. frictional force at the wheel. We have two wheels, so I put A1 and A2. F force at the handle because it includes more force at there. Okay, for the rigid body equilibrium, we do summation of F at force equals to 0. AY1 for the front tire, AY2 for the behind tire. BX for the force the man needed to push the trolley forward. Summation of Fa equals to 0. Moment at A equals to 0, so we apply the calculations. That means AY1 multiply with 0.6 plus 0.3 minus 40 multiply with gravity, which is 9.81 multiply with 0.6 equals to 0. AY1 equals to 261.6 Newton. For the AY2, we use same formula which AY1. For the force the man needed to push the trolley, so we summation that Fx equals to 0. AY1 minus AY2 minus 40 multiply with 9.81 plus Bs. So we get the answer Bs equal to 523.2 Newton. That's all from me. Thank you. So I will pass the next part for Hasri Nartisha Ayuni.
Hello, my name is Hasri Nartisha Ayuni Al-Papanashim and my number ID MA21083, and I will talk about the centroid of this project. So this is the P-body diagram I draw. First I will identify the shape found on this P-body diagram. So I found 4 rectangle, 3 triangle and 2 circle. The total number of shape in this P-body diagram is 9 at 1. To easy the calculation, I name each of these shape with number 1 to 3 and so on. For the shape, I will image the shape to be the big triangle this, and to get the shape here, area here, I will minus with the red triangle, this triangle and this triangle, so I get this area. On the other hand, for this shape, and this, I will calculate this step forward. So here I will show you the order form the calculation on the table. On the table to easy my calculation. So here is all. You can see it. Now I will get the sum of area and the sum of this and this. So here by using the formula this and this, I will get the centroid for x and y. So the centroid for x is 0.348 and y is 0.190. Okay. Of the project, from the project above, we can recognize the static problem happen on daily activity in their lives, such as how many forces need to push forward the trolley with the heavy thing. From the project, we can know that the force on the wheel is larger than the force by man. So the man can easily push forward the trolley with the heavy thing inside the trolley with the help of the wheel. Also, we can learn about the centroid of the trolley by its 2D shape of the future pre-body diagram for centroid calculation. But the situation always happen in their life, so it's good to know about the problem and how to solve it.